Hey, it's Chef Brandon here at the Four Winds Casino, back at you with another Cooking Creations. I've got Chef
Mike Diamond.
All right, our executive pastry chef. We're gonna whip up some chocolate truffles for you. Here we come, right at you. So Chef Mike, how long have you been with the company?
I started it when we opened, so about a month before we opened in 2007.
Excellent.
And I've been there ever since.
How long have you been working with the pastry world, man?
I graduated in 2003
Nice.
And did a few jobs in Chicago and Grand Rapids in the local area. And
Excellent, all right. Well, what do you got planned for us today?
we'll make some coffee truffles for you.
Ooh.
Simple, easy.
A little coffee, a little chocolate. Let's get busy.
Alrighty.
Show us what these ingredients are. What are we working with?
We got the cream and the chocolate and the butter. And then we're gonna steep the coffee in there.
Oh, nice.
And then roll it in cocoa powder at the end.
Let's start it up, Chef. What's the next step?
First, we want to get the cream in there and start that to boil.
All right.
We're gonna steep the
Steeping the cream. Is there any certain cream you're looking for, Chef, or?
whatever you got in your fridge. You can use milk if you got that, or cream. I got half and half right here.
Oh, lovely. A little combo of both.
Yep. Then we're gonna put that coffee bean in there.
All right. So any kind of ground bean you're looking for?
Yep.
Or?
If you got espresso, that'll probably be the strongest.
Okay.
If you want to put bourbon in there, you can do that. You don't doesn't need to be coffee.
You're talking my language now. A little bourbon, a little coffee, a little chocolate. All right. But today we'll keep it nice and simple, huh?
We're just gonna let it do its thing.
So if you were going to put bourbon in this, Chef, how much bourbon would you look at for something this amount?
How much would I put in there?
Yeah, that's a good question.
I do a couple shots.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
But any of your favorite liquors? Grand Marnier would be good.
Oh, give you a little orangey flavor. Yep. I like that.
If you want to let it set and just sit for a little while, like you're making tea or coffee at home, that's best. But
oh, so then it's actually brewing your coffee into your milk. Perfect.
Okay.
Then
if you really want, put that on there and keeps all that moisture stuck in there.
Nice. A little double boiler action on top of it too. I like it.
All right, we're gonna get all those coffee grains out now.
All right. Awesome. That's gonna be some flavorful cream. So look at that. That's like a coffee flavored heavy cream there. All right.
And you just throw your stuff in.
Oh, it's that simple.
Simple.
Whipping that chocolate into that heavy cream, that hot cream. A little bit of butter. Here, Chef, I'll take those from you.
Thanks.
Let's see how this goes.
Now, you'll need a couple minutes for the chocolate to melt and the butter, but you should just stir in.
Look at that. All right.
Then this is going to take a while to set up, so you're going to stick it in the fridge for probably about an hour.
All right, we're going to stick this in the fridge, and we'll be right back at you.
Now that it's set in the fridge, we can use our scooper, or if you got a piping bag, maybe you can do it that way.
Okay.
But nice and...
So it's that simple. It's nice, like workable chocolate, right, Chef? All right.
You don't want to get your hands dirty. You can just scoop it in like that. That'll be fine.
Okay.
If you don't mind.
Yeah, or otherwise.
Do some balls.
Nice. Get some nice, uniformed balls in there. All right.
Do one more.
Oh man, those look great, Chef.
A little messy.
Yeah, that's all right. We got soap and water for that.
And you just want to toss them?
Oh yeah, Chef.
Good to go.
Perfect. With any kind of appetizer, I mean, you're trying to use something like you said that is within 1 to 2 bites of like any kind of canapé or appetizer, as well as a truffle ball or
just
petit four or something.
Usually, if you're gonna use scoops, just get the smallest one that you can find. Just pops right in your mouth.
I would say, what would you say, Chef? Like maybe at the end of a nice meal, you can enjoy some of these to kind of cut the palate. If you have like a nice juicy steak, a glass of red wine paired with these. Chef even pointed out, like in your midday, to give you a little pick-me-up with the coffee that's brewed in that cream. Am I right there?
A little bit of extra kick during the day.
I like that. Everybody needs a little kick, right? Right. So, so there you have it, man. It's that easy. You've seen how easy it is. You guys can make these at home and enjoy. Would you like one, Chef?
Oh, absolutely.
Let's try one of these out here. Hey, another Cooking Creations back at you. This is Chef Brandon, Chef Mike. We'll see you soon. Oh.